Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change monitor refresh rate in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Windows 11, you want to right click on the bottom on the start, right click on it and click settings. Now let's just wait. The next thing you want to do is click display. Then scroll down below. You're going to have the advanced display here. And then you're going to have the refresh rate. So this is something you can do, and this is how you can easily change monitor refresh rate. If this video was helpful, guys, leave it down below in the comments, so when other people come here, they will know that it's like worth it. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.